Say blueberry. Blueberry. I think you're cheating. Cassidy, do you want more blueberry? Can you say blueberry? Good. Very good, my girl. Blueberry. Very good. Very good. Playing to the camera? Huh? You see the camera on, my little girl? Say hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. We could go bye-bye in a few minutes, right after lunch. Right? Do you want more blueberry? Blueberry? Oh, I think you're full of blueberries. Bye-bye.